Hello and welcome to the new video of Inbox. Today we are going to review the whole new Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra. It is Mi 10 Ultra as it is the way of Xiaomi celebrating its 10th anniversary. So what is the Mi 10 Ultra and does it deserve the title of Ultra? Let's get checked. Before moving into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech related videos. So starting with the display, it has a 6.67 inches 120Hz display and it weighs around 220 grams. Moving on to the processor, it comes with a Snapdragon 865 and also 8 to 16GB RAM variant and a 128GB storage facility. It runs on MIUI 12, which in my words is purely artistic. It is one of the best user experience UI in which you feel no lag at all. All the apps loads too quickly as we expect and on a display speed of 120Hz. Gaming on MIUI Ultra 10 is pretty good, which is a good news for the gamers. So coming to the camera, it has three rear cameras of 48 megapixel, a 20 megapixel and a 12 megapixel along with the front facing camera of 20 megapixel. The rear camera has got the ultra wide angle which gives us the wide angle up to 180 degree and also the zooming capability up to 120, which is much better than the S20 Ultra. The night photos are pretty cool and it also gives us the 8K video recording. Talking about the battery, it has a 4500 mAh battery with a fast charger of 120 volts and a wireless charger of 50 volts. It charges up to 50% within just 6 to 8 minutes. So that was all about the Mi 10 Ultra. It has not yet got released in India and the expected price range is from 50 to 60,000. At that price range, it is way better than any other Ultra phones. So that was the video. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.